hate this channel.
No! No!
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And for those that are new, hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications, commenting hashtag Reesie gang out here to let me know that you are part of the fam. For those that are already part of the fam, what's good? Hey everybody, I am back with another video. Today we are maintaining my twist. I actually bought extra packages just so I can maintain my twist because my hair gets real frizzy and doesn't last. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my twist, show you all the deets, and probably give you a better explanation on how I twist my hair, because the first video, I don't know, it didn't explain too much about it. So if you want to know how I maintain my passion twist extra long, then stay tuned. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So you guys, I am taking the hair out the pack. As you can see, these are all the strands that I have left. I only have one pack of hair left. I did buy 10 packs. I am grabbing one strand and I'm grabbing another one. So I am using two strands to do this twist out. I'm going to take one of my older twists that looks very, raggedy, and my hair, my leave out is actually sticking out of these twists. So I'm gonna cut wherever my real hair ends and untwist that piece of the hair and make sure I detangle it, all that. And now I am showing you like how my hair looks. So you guys, I'm going to use Ultra Sheen Grease for moisturizer, and I'm going to lather that throughout the scalp and the ends of my hair. And then I'm going to take some Eco Style Pro Gel and lather that throughout the ends of my hair and my scalp. Now I am doing the rubber band method. So after I moisturize and put gel throughout the ends of my hair and the scalp, I am just rubber banding my part to make sure it's like a clean, nice part and real sleek, because I like that very sleek look. And now remember how we took two pieces from the pile of hair? Now we are going to grab that with the crochet tool. Is that what it's called? The crochet tool? And we're going to put that under the rubber band. Grab the hair, as you can see, put the two pieces together, close the latch and pull that through. And then as you can see, there's a loop now because we did put the two pieces together. And I'm going to take the two pieces out of the four pieces you see on my hand, and I'm going to loop that around to have a very secure, tight grip on the hair. And then I am going to combine my natural hair with the crochet hair and twist that up. So as you can see, this is my natural hair, and then the crochet hair is with that. And so now I just twist it up So you guys, I'm going to show you how I extend my passion twist. I grab one more strand of hair and I'm going to 3-strand braid the twist within the twist that I already made. So I did it pretty fast. I'll show you guys again. But as you can see, I'm 3-strand twisting, and then I'm going to try to force the hair back into the 2 strands in the way it can go. So I think visually it's better. It's harder for me to explain, but by 3-strand twisting it, it will secure the twist, the extended twist, so it could be extra long if you are interested in making your passion twist longer. As you can see, I am 2-strand twisting it back. I'm forcing the twist to go in a certain direction that it can lay. This is kind of like a little bit of a hard part, but not really. So as you can see, I'm just 2-strand twisting it again after I 3-strand twist it to secure the extended passion twist. So while I show you guys how I retwist my hair, I'm just going to give you some pros and cons. I really love this hairstyle for temporary hairstyling, because this hair only lasts about a week and a half before your hair starts unraveling and it can look like mine. I did retwist my hair about 2 times having this hairstyle. So I did have this hairstyle for about 5 weeks now, which is the longest I've ever had a hairstyle if you been following me on YouTube. So yeah, so that's basically the cons, is that this hairstyle is not for long term, but it is a very cute hairstyle. Like if you go on trips or something very temporary for a week to 2 weeks. I love how protective it is because I can reach to my scalp and oil my scalp. I love the style. It just gives me bohemian, beautiful jungle fever vibes. I don't know. I love it. It's very, very lightweight, you guys. Even when extending this hair all the way down to past my butt, this hair is so lightweight. I could put it in a bun and it won't be heavy at all. It feels like it's my real hair. That's basically all I have to say about this specific hairstyle. I wouldn't pay for this hairstyle. I could do it myself because this hairstyle is only about a week long to really have it in its fresh state. So if you're spending hundreds of dollars for this hairstyle, then you're really wasting your money because it doesn't last as long. I was so proud of this twist. As you can see, it's super clean and nice. Some don't come out that way, some do. Now I'm finished with just doing the twist on one side of my head. I'm gonna put mousse, let that rest and form, and that's basically it, you guys. That's how I maintain my hair. I did this every other week. I just redid the front of my head and just leave the back of my head looking crazy because no one's really gonna see the back of my head anyways. We're all at home. So yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Bye.
Come and go.